You're cruising down the highway, windows up, AC cranked on max, and suddenly, it hits you. Not a wave of icy relief, but a blast of warm air straight to the face. When your AC gives up during a summer heat wave, it's more than uncomfortable. It can turn your entire drive into a sweaty, miserable mess. In today's video, we're breaking down some reasons why your AC might be blowing warm air, what signs to look for, and how summer heat makes it worse. Let's get into it before your next drive turns into a sauna. 1. Low refrigerant levels. This is one of the most common problems behind warm AC. Refrigerant is the lifeblood of your cooling system, and if it's leaking, whether slowly over time or suddenly, you'll lose the cooling pressure needed to push cold air. In the summer, your system works harder, and any small leak gets worse. If you hear a faint hissing or your AC was getting weak before it quit, this is likely the cause. 2. Faulty AC compressor. The compressor is the heart of the AC system. It pressurizes the refrigerant and keeps the cold air flowing. Summer heat puts extra stress on the compressor. If it's old, worn, or the clutch isn't engaging properly, your air may stay warm even though the fan is still blowing strong. You might even hear odd clicking or rattling noises when the AC is on. Those are early warning signs. 3. Electrical or fuse issues. Modern AC systems rely heavily on sensors, relays, and wiring to function. If a fuse blows or a relay goes bad, your compressor might not get the signal to turn on, even if everything else seems normal. This is especially common after long summer drives or when parking in direct sunlight, which can overheat circuits under the hood. 4. Blocked or clogged cabin air filter. When your cabin filter is full of dust, pollen, or debris, it restricts airflow. Your AC may technically still be working, but it can't push cool air into the cabin efficiently. Summer is the worst time for this to happen because you're already running the AC at full blast. Weak airflow mixed with hot outside temps equal a hot, stuffy cabin. 5. Malfunctioning AC pressure switch. This small but crucial sensor monitors refrigerant pressure in your system. If it fails, it can either shut down the compressor to prevent damage or give incorrect signals, resulting in warm air even though your refrigerant levels are fine. This issue can come and go, making it tricky to diagnose unless you scan the system for codes. 6. Evaporator or condenser issues. If your condenser is blocked by leaves, dirt, or road grime, it can't dissipate heat properly. That means hot refrigerant goes right back into the system. Or, if your evaporator coil inside the cabin is leaking or freezing up, it won't cool air effectively. Hot weather makes both components work extra hard, and if airflow is blocked or refrigerant can't cycle properly, you'll feel the heat fast. And there you have it. 6 reasons your AC might be blowing warm air in the summer. Be sure to check the description below for my top recommended tools and resources. If you enjoy this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that like button. And if you don't want to wait for my next video to come out, check out this one on the screen. When it comes to staying cool, your AC system doesn't just need to blow air, it needs to regulate, pressurize, and cycle that air through a finely tuned system. So if things are heating up inside your ride, don't just sweat it out, get it checked before it gets worse.